Hello guys and welcome back to News 14. It's been a while, but today at 7 p.m. we are going to be casting a bunch of snow for a snowstorm. Now the snow is going to be coming through everywhere, and Niskayuna and Albany and Schenectady are all going to be in trouble because they are in the middle of the snowstorm, and I do live in Niskayuna though. Anyways, this is going to be a tough time, and as you guys can see, the sticks are not moving, which means there's a sign of snowstorm. Anyways, as you can see, it looks pretty normal, but the sky is looking like it's going to be snowing for a dangerous time. So everyone, get your supplies, do whatever you need, and also, people in the lower place of the 13 colonies are having heavy rain. And even Washington, D.C. is going to have some bad winter storm. But the places that are in the, the north place, like the north left, they are good. California, Nevada, Colorado, Hawaii, and all of Asia are all good. They are all good except for the east of North America. And then there's a squirrel who was trying to hibernate, as you can already see. Well, not hibernating, just trying to get back. As we are going to watch him as he goes. It's so hard to do this. Where did he go? There you are. They are trying to find food for their snowstorm. Even they are worried. But since there is no sticks moving at all, literally, watch out for 7 p.m. tonight on Saturday on January 6th of 2023. This is News 14, and we'll see you next time for when the snowstorm occurs.